Okay, friends, very good morning to all of you. And my name is Ramzan. And in this today's session, we will be learning all about the MS Word. So I will be taking you in MS Word from a very, very basic level till the advanced level. All the topics are designed like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I will be teaching you and then you will be practicing. The first step is downloading all the practice files. So I hope you all have downloaded the file. And what are the topics that we are going to cover, we will see now. So the first topic which we will start in MS Word is the MS Word shortcuts. Some interesting shortcuts we will be doing, and around 10 to 12 different shortcuts I will be showing it to you, and you will become good in MS Word with formatting of a data with the help of shortcuts. The second and very regularly used option, that is find and replace, we will do, but I will go in little bit depth because you already know find and replace. So I will go in more depth in that. We will also be learning how do you do the spell check and a grammar check, and it's one of the additional feature. Means it was already there, but in the latest version they have added more things into spelling and grammar. We will be checking that. We will be also learning bullets and numbering, not just bullet and numbering, but we will learn how do you do the multiple level of bullets, multiple level of numbering. How do you change the color, font, and other important things in bullets and numbering. We will be seeing how do you give the space between two lines with the help of shortcuts. So you click on a button and automatically there will be a line spacing. How do you create the style? So that once you create a style for your text, then same style can be used in all the other headings of your paragraphs and all. If you want to change the design, you change one design and all the design will change automatically. So it will ease your work in MS Word and it will be faster also. We will be also learning the how do you insert an object. Like in MS Word, you want to insert an Excel file or a PDF or PowerPoint file. How do you insert it as an icon? We will be learning that as well. We will also see how do you change the page layout from portrait to landscape. How do you change the margin of the page, top, bottom, left, right, and few other things we will be seeing. We will be also learning about the printing, which you do on a daily basis, but little in depth we will do. We will have a break then, and then we will again start with the different ways of inserting table in MS Word. So one is the go to the insert and insert a table. Then another is go to insert and directly put the column number, row number. And the third one is getting a table from Excel so that you can do the calculation also. We will be seeing three different ways. We will be learning all about the columns. Means if you have a huge database and if you wanted to convert into different columns, column 1, 2, 3. So how do you divide that paragraph into three different columns perfectly? We will be learning that. We will also learn the concept of hyperlink. Means you click on a button or you click on one of the text and it takes you to the other MS Word file. No, not only the Word file, but you can go to the Excel file, PowerPoint file, or open any PDF file. That is a concept of hyperlink. The shortcut for that is Control K for hyperlink. We will be seeing that. We will learn about the page break. Like you have 3 pages and all are vertically arranged. Okay. Now, if I tell you, okay, first page I need vertical and second page I need horizontal, for example, like landscape. So how do you do that? Because if you change that to the landscape, all pages will become landscape. So how do you do the page break so that one page is portrait, another is the landscape? We will be seeing that. We will also learn the header and footer. So if I want one header to be coming on all the pages and footer, we will also see different header on different pages. Some interesting thing we will do in depth. We will be learning the concept of TOC, that is table of content. So first you do the style and then you convert that into the TOC, table of content. Table of content mean all my chapter names will be coming on the first page And then when I click on it, it goes to that particular page. We will be seeing that. We will be also learning inserting comments. Simple topic. How do you insert a link? You insert a chart from Excel and linked also. One is inserting table, I said. How do you insert a table from Excel? Now this is a chart. Let's say you already have a data in Excel. You created a chart. Now you will copy it from there and you will paste it in the Word. Like we paste in a PowerPoint, same way we will do in the Word. Almost same topic. We will do the track changes. Very, very important topic. And we will spend a good time in learning track changes. Means you have a document and you want and you have sent it to somebody. So before sending it to somebody, you can start the track changes. So whatever changes he has done, it will show us. He will also show us which user has done the changes. And then I can accept the change or I can reject the changes. We will also learn the protection. How do you protect your Word file so that nobody can open? This is the first level. We will see the second level, that I don't want anybody to make changes in my data formatting part. So you can restrict the user so that he can't delete your data. He can't do the formatting changes in your Word file. So actually there are lots of topics that needs to be covered, but the topics are not very, very big. Small topic, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, this type of topics, except few of the topics. Then we will start with the position and the wrap text. So you have a database and you have took image and you want that image to put in the center of that data. So when you put that image, the image comes on the top. So how do you adjust the wrap it so that the data comes around the text? You wanted to put it on the corner, top. So how do you position? How do you wrap that image in the text? We will be seeing that. How do you translate the document? A new feature we will be learning. I personally use this for some of my data. So you have entire document in, let's say, in English, and you wanted to convert it into Arabic or in Hindi or Gujarati or in German. So you just select and no Google Translate. We are not going on Google Translate and doing, but in Word only. You select and you click on Translate and quickly it will translate in the same Word file. It's amazing feature and accuracy is very, very high except for few words. Then we will learn how do you insert a screenshot. So you have your company website and from there you wanted to take some numbers or some text or some images. So how you do, you take a print screen, right? But there is an option in Word, a new option, insert screenshot. So you click go to the insert and say screenshot, automatically your company website, which is next available, will open. You select and just say okay, and then perfect screenshot will come here. So no need of print screen, doing crop and other things. We will also learn the mail merge, one of the best feature of MS Word, which many people would like to learn. So you have a database of around 100 and 150 students or employees in your Excel file. And there is another letter in a Word which you want to send it to everybody. Or you wanted to print the letter for each one of them separately. So how do you do that? You will not say copy that data, put it name and then paste it on a second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. No. You will use a mail merge. So you just connect the Word with MS Excel, link with that email ID, and then khalas. You click on this option, okay, and you will get 150 pages in a Word. Or if you want to send that to the email to all that participants or to the employees, you click on it and automatically it will go through your Outlook. Outlook should be your default email sending when you do it. Okay. We will also learn the concept of watermark. In behind the data, you want a light color like confidential or important, something like this company logo. You wanted to put it in a light color. That is known as a watermark. So these are the 24 topics which we will do. So for introducing the topic, I took around 10 to 12 minutes. And then in the end, we will also have a small assessment. So I will be sharing some questions with all of you and a word file with all of you. And what you have to do is you have to read that questions and you need to solve that. Once you do that, your all the topics which we have done above will be get revised and you will become good in MS Word. Yes, there are many other topics in MS Word, but in this hours, we can complete around 24 topics in detail. Okay. So this was all about the topics, friends. Okay. Thank you so much. And now we will start with our first topic, that is starting with MS Word shortcut. Thank you. Okay, everybody. So now we will start with MS Word shortcuts. So I request everybody to open the first file, that is MS Word shortcuts.